Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace your existing data if you used Excel to create your map initially. So on your Data tab on your left-hand side, you'll find Import New Data. Here, you'll choose Import and Replace Existing Data Set. We'll talk about this in another video. Because I created this using Excel, it's making the assumption that that's what I'm going to use here. I'm going to click Add File, or I can drop my file in here. And once we've got that, I will choose my data. It's going to double check and make sure that all the columns are as they should be. I'll hit Done. Now I've just refreshed my data using Excel. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.